So basically, recommended chat box is given for our reference. I mean, from this basis, from the basis of this window, we can conclude that our chart is particularly okay with these kind of charts. Otherwise, we can go to the all charts option. From here, we can go to the column box and select chart. I hope you all are getting.
Please go ahead, Ajit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's sure. Thank you. So you get chart like these COVID cases. Now we come to our earlier section. What sir has made us learn. Sir talked about in the earlier two sections. Sir talked about that how many things we have to fulfill in our chart for the clearly understandable to our audience. So see, our chart is to properly made, but we have to complete this chart by adding the chart labels, chart titles, as well as the proper legend and all those things. So we'll start working on those sections. So our see raw chart is our completed, but we'll start with by adding the chart axis chart title. So we'll click here. You'll get a chart option from design option. I'll show you one thing.
Ajit, can you go little slow? थोड़ा धीरे से करो,
Yes, yes, sir.
आराम
Yes,
से.
yes.
Yeah, please.
So I guess you all have attended the earlier day session. So sir has told about that after making very raw type of chart, we have to complete that chart with so many kind of elements. For example, by including the axis title, by including the chart title, by including the data labels, as well as the coloring and formatting, so many things. So I start with adding chart title. That is very common. So once you are okay with this chart making, just click on the right that chart elements, chart alignment option. There is a plus sign on the right top side of your chart. Otherwise, if any other way, if you want, so you can click the upper drop down menu. In their drop down menu, there is an option named Design. In Design section, you will get the first option, Add Chart Element. From here, also, you can get a title. Yeah, sorry, hello.
Yeah, please go ahead, Ajit. Yeah.
Yeah. So in the chart title, you will get an option none, above chart and centered overlay. What happens that as well as upper part of the chart. So if we select the upper part of the chart, we'll get a window like this. And there is a very simple way of adding the chart title by using a command. If uh, technically we can use a command or in a for doing very simple way, we can select a equal symbol by adding equal symbol and then selecting the title of the chart. You will get the exact chart of the title. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead,
Yes.
Ajit. Yeah.
The next thing what we have to do, we have to add our axis titles. For axis title, the same way we have to do. We can go if you want to go through the drop down menu, so we can go to the design option and then go to the first option named add chart elements. From here, we can go to the axis titles. The primary axis is the x-axis, and while the secondary primary vertical axis is the y-axis, the vertical one. So we can go through one by one by adding the axis title. We can manually drop here the y-axis name. The name of the x-axis is week of the March month. I hope you all are getting. By doing this, you are complete with the rename the x-axis. After this, again you can go there and you can use your y-axis named as. cases. It's okay. I hope you all are getting.
Yeah,
After doing
please
this,
go ahead.
yes, after doing this, very most important thing is with any chart is to complete that chart with its label. For label thing, again, we can do the same thing. We can go to the, from the drop down menu, we can go to the design section, and from there, after clicking on the first option, we'll get fourth option that is named as data label. For data labels, there are so many options. We can click on the more data level options. After clicking here, we'll get so many options such as label constraint, label position. In label constraint option, we can put our values, or if you want to change it, we can give here series name of the series. But I think value is always acceptable. So I suggest go for the value. If you don't have any specific thing to represent, then go for value. So this is the proper thing that one can make this by adding all these elements to a chart. So now this chart is yet now this chart is not completed because our axis, if you see, our axis is started from 0 to 700. So we can modify our y-axis by adding our content. Suppose if you are having cases in percentage, so we can add here maximum value from 0 to 100. But here we get a number in absolute number. So I think it's okay with keeping 700 numbers. Now we'll move to the earlier section what sir has told. In that section, we can see that sir has told about so many other things. Yeah, it's about customizing access in Excel chart. So suppose if you get the data like marketing data, so on y-axis we might have data of marketing. So for this, hello,
Yeah, please go ahead, Ajit. Nothing.
yes, sir, thank you. So for this, we can go to the by clicking on the y-axis, by double clicking on the y-axis, we'll get a number option. We'll get a axis option, and between that axis, the fourth option is number. From here, we can modify our y-axis values. We can do here number, currency, accounting, date, time, or whatever we want to do. We can just customize our axis number option, categorical option. But here we have a COVID cases in absolute number. So I don't think that we need to modify all of these things. So this is our complete chart now. If you compare with our previous chart what I we have provided in you in our already Excel, so you can compare these both charts. Now both charts are looking similar. So this was the column chart preparation. I request to all of participants, you can take 2 minutes in making this type of chart and make with my answer sheet based chart. And if you get any problem, please drop your message in the chat box.
Let me unmute and ask everyone. Hello, hello.
போன மாசம் வந்தானா
Ajit,
Yes, sir.
just give what you can do it. Actually, just ask them to what are the aspects. This is the data set. If the just key takeaway points, you'll just have it and give it for this slide.
Yes, sir. They're responding like that. They're not able to hear me properly. So is it problem? Is it problem?
No, it's now
You
it's solved,
think
everyone.
about?
I think.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yeah.
I'll ask.
Now it's clear. No issue. Please go ahead. Okay. I hope I hope you people already gone the exercise he has given. What you can do it another 5 to 10 minutes. You can practice with your the sheet what we have shared actually. You can take you can take both the data. Maybe COVID data sheet, a COVID exercise sheet, or a demographic exercise sheet. You can try any one of the things, and you can just make it what are the possible you use the data, use the example data, and you can make the chart, and then try in a different way what are the steps we are given. You can try it in a different all the steps you can try it, and if you have any challenges or if you're finding any difficulty, let us know, so accordingly we can move to next slide. Ajit, can you please repeat how to change the y-axis value?
Yes, sir.
Sure, thanks.
Yeah. So again, I'll let you know. Suppose after making the raw chart, we don't have our access titles. Okay. For example, we don't have our access title.
No, they
Then
sorry,
simply I'll again.
sorry Ajit, sorry to disturb. They wants to how to change the y-axis value, not
Yeah,
title.
definitely I'll let them know.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Values.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for changing the value presentation or changing the y-axis value presentation, we can go to the that axis, and after clicking double and after doing a double click on the y-axis, you'll get an option like this. The column based symbol, you'll get an axis option, tick markers, label thing, and the fourth option will be numbers. By clicking to this arrow number, you'll get more options. The first one is category, and the second one is format code. In category, there is so many options. On the basis of these options, you can convert your y-axis value on a different mode. For example, if you are handling any marketing data, in search example, sir has already shown that there was so many fruits were selling out, and their representation was being shown to us. So in that case, suppose if you are making any global presentation, so I'll suggest you go for the dollar thing. So you can use currency option for changing your dollar. And if you are and if you want to show about for any Indian presentation, so you can use the symbol like rupees or any other symbol. You can use whatever you want. If you want to go for any time kind of presentation, then you can modify your y-axis value as the time option, or in other, so many options are there. If you want to present your y-axis value as percentage or fraction or anything, so otherwise you can simply just general, you keep your y-axis values as you have given in your table. I think it's okay.
Yeah, fine, Ajit.
You please go you Yeah, you please once go through the options, the steps, whatever I'm telling. And if you face any problem, please drop your message, because I'm properly not getting any response. So if I'm moving forward to the next option, next chart, that is bar chart. Bar chart is also the as same as the column chart, but the only difference is about the bar and column is their orientation. In column, you'll get the vertical type of presentation, while in the bar chart preparation, you will get a horizontal type of. Again, for making bar type of presentation, you just select the data, go to the insert of the second option, that is insert, go to the recommended chart option. Otherwise, along with that representation, there are horizontal horizontal bar symbol. You can click there also. Otherwise, I'll suggest go for the representation recommended chart. In recommended chart window, you'll get a second tab that is named as all charts. You can click here. After clicking here, you'll get a fourth option that is bar chart. Then you have two things, two graphs for bar chart. You can see the other one also. There are different colors. So use this chart when you have your hypothesis in that way that you want to show very different thing in a different color. Then only use this. Otherwise, go for the easier one, the basic one. Select this chart. Now this chart is very raw. You have to fulfill this chart by adding so many ingredients. For example, your chart title. For adding chart title, just simply click equal sign. After clicking equal sign, just select the exact title what you want to make. Otherwise, manually you can write there your chart title also. Click equal sign, then go for the exact title what you want, and then you for going that making chart title, you go to the design option, click on the first option that is add chart in element, go to the third option that is chart title, and you can add their chart title alongside. Is it okay?
Ajit, wait for a couple of minutes. Some questions are coming up. Some questions are coming, Ajit.
You please try. I'll take a pause here for a while.
How did give a value about the week in the chart? How I do hard
Yeah.
issues.
So I'll move forward. Now the second step, very important thing, to adding your axis title.
Yeah, please, Ajit, go
One
ahead.
second, sir. It's okay. If you have any other the earlier version of the MS Office, you just simply go by going to the drop down menu. You simply just go to the design option. After going to the third option that is chart title. If you want to impose your chart title on the chart itself, then go to the third option. Otherwise, be okay with the first option, second option. Now moving forward, we'll go to the axis titles. After axis titles also, if you have the earlier version of MS Office, go to the design option. After going to the design option, go to the second option as the axis titles. For going axis titles, select the primary horizontal one, that is x-axis. After clicking here, you'll have to put your x-axis title manually. After completing this, for adding y-axis, go to the again same option, that is axis title. Then go for the primary vertical, and again put here your y-axis title, weeks of March 2020. Moving forward, go to again the same option, that is design. Then go to the first option. In this first option, you will get the fourth option as rename as labeled as data label. See, there are 3, 4 types of data labeling way. The first one, you can label your data in the central part of the bars, or if you don't want to deal like this, then you go to the inside end part of the. You are looking. My value labels are moving throughout the bars. When you click on the inside base, you will get the base thing label placed as bilkul base thing. If you want to label your data, you can use data callout also. In data callout option, you
Ajit, your voice is. Ajit?
Sir, no audio, sir. We're not able to listen. We're not able to hear anything.
Ajit, your voice is breaking. Your voice is not coming. Ajit?
yes sir, I'm talking on phone.
No, it's your phone voice is muted, so it's not coming. Please stop.
भाई साहब आपका आवाज सुनता नहीं
Now
है
it's okay, sir.
Yeah, it's fine. Is it now? Is it now fine? Free now? Is it coming now? Hello,
Yeah, your voice we can able to hear, but not our voice.
Ajit. Yeah, it's the last 2 minutes. There is a network issue. Now it's fine, I think.
Ajit, sir.
Yeah. Ajit.
Yes. I'm audible, sir.
Yeah. Please,
Yeah.
mobile pass में रख दो. Sorry, actually,
Hello.
lots of technical issues. Sorry.
Can I proceed?
Yeah. Please proceed. Proceed, karo, please.
Yes, sir. I'm moving forward.
Yeah.
So I'll give you 5 minutes for making this first type of chart. Because making chart is not only the completing the thing. You have to complete this chart. You have to complete the chart with so many extra elements. So I'll give you 5 minutes. If you please make that chart and please let me know in the chat box, then it will be easier for us to moving forward. If I'm audible, please
Yeah, it's
make your
audible.
chart in within 5 minutes and
then
let us know, please.
Yeah, please let us know. Those who are not able to open the Excel sheet, actually, it's a latest version. I have sent 2 minutes back. I have sent the lower version. Actually, you can check it now. I think Dr. Arasi and other people, they have sent a message to me that they have not able to open the Excel sheet. I think hope now you can able to open the file. Actually, there is a lower version. We have converted to lower version and I shared to you. Once make the chart and let us know. Just give it we are completed or any messages, so that accordingly we can plan to proceed further. Yeah, I understand there is a challenges. Please bear with this because this kind of interactive workshop is somewhat. Let's see. Yeah.
So should I move, sir, or should I wait for 2, 3 minutes?
Anyway, wait. Somebody is coming and completed, and we'll wait for another 2, 3 minutes. You'll just give it key takeaway also. Huh? Okay, great. People are completing. Wait for 2 minutes. Don't go fast.
Yes, sir.
Can you just clarify once the value alone?
Ajit,
How in the bars how we can actually no incorporate the values.
interpreted values means we are not getting. Interpreted value means what kind of values you want?
Incorporate the values. That is that the score is coming no each week 31, 68, 228, 657.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
has to be appeared under that bar. You
yeah.
are able to mention it. That value alone, we are not able to. I am not able to.
Okay, you are not able to add the. You are not able to add the value. Okay, Ajit, please go ahead. How to add the values?
How to add the values.
Yeah, yeah. Ajit, Ajit, please go ahead. Ajit, please. Those who completed their talk, please mute their mic. Please, I request you please mute their mic. Ajit, Ajit.
अजीत सर का आवाज सुनता नहीं.
1 minute wait कर दिए please. Sorry. Ajit. लो अजीत, आपको आवाज नहीं है.
Hello.
Yeah, please. आपको आवाज. Actually somebody is asked about.
So I'll move forward.
Yeah, no. Wait for somebody is asked that how
In
to
the
add a
same
value. How to
in the
add a
same
value? Please
Excel,
give example for
get
that. How to add a value? Somebody is
yes, sure.
yeah. Please
If you
go.
want to add data labels,
No, add a value.
again I'll show you
Yeah. Please bar diagram में दिखा दो.
by going back to the first sheet.
Yeah.
If you want to add your the data label values, and if you have whether earlier version or the latest version of MS Office, nothing to worry about. Just click on the chart, go to the design option. Next, going to the first option, that is add chart element. After clicking there, you'll get fourth option as data label. In data label, there are 5 options: none, central, inside end, inside base, outside end, data callout. By clicking center, you'll place your data label at the central part of your bar. While clicking inside end, you'll get your data label as just inside of your bar. Next, while clicking inside base, you'll get your data label as just inside your base, just nearby your base. You can say the nearby your axis. And clicking outside, you'll get your data level just outside of the bar. There are so many options. You can pick any one of those. One more interesting thing, the data callout, in this option as well as the other option also, you can manually change your data level also. For example, from here, I'll delete all the things. I'll keep only 228. I'll keep the value only. I'll delete the value series name. Are you able to see?
Yeah, got it, boy sir. Yeah, we have done. Thank you.
Ajit, they got
I
it.
think you all,
Yeah, got it. They got it. Please go ahead.
in lower version also you will have to follow the same steps, then you will get. Again, I'll repeat, go to the design option. Please try to note down if it is you are facing
Ajit,
any
it's
problem by my
they
speed.
got it, they
So
got it,
please note.
they got it.
Okay, 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 okay. So I'll move forward to the next sheet.
Yeah, yeah,
That
please.
is
Yeah.
exercise 2. In exercise 2, you'll get the date-wise COVID cases of March month. I think all of us know that this COVID thing came. The second case came in the 2nd March. So the data is the previous one's data about COVID cases, how it entered in India. So you'll get there are two columns. The first column named as dates, while the second column is the cases. How many cases on the particular date we received. For making line diagram, simply we have to select the all data, the both two columns. By selecting both two columns, we have to go the insert option. After going insert option, we can choose the recommended chart. Otherwise, just right side of this recommended chart, we'll get a line chart option. Otherwise, simply go through the recommended chart, you will get the option. So many diagrams. Whatever is you want, you just select. Otherwise, go to the second option that is named as all charts. Just click.
ऑडियो प्रॉब्लम है.
अजित ऑडियो का थोड़ा देख. Ajit, your audio is. Ajit,
I think he is not watching the chat box.
एक
अजीत
मिनट.
जी ऑडियो सुनता नहीं है.
Ajit, sorry, just wait. Ajit, your audio is not at all getting here. थोड़ा वो देखो, देख के बता दो. थोड़ा चैट बॉक्स भी देख दो बीच बीच में. एक्चुअली उसमें बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है. यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम न्यू. एक्चुअली जो लाइन डायग्राम है ना, फर्स्ट से बता दो, शुरू से बता दो. प्लीज स्टार्ट विद द लाइन डायग्राम अगेन.
Hello.
या अजित प्लीज आप आओ.
Again, I'll tell you about making line diagram. Simply select the data, go to the insert option, then go to the recommended chart. From recommended chart, if you see your line diagram is available with you, then just select. Otherwise, go to the next option, that is all charts. From here, you can select the line diagram. Here, so many options. Either line diagram with simple or line diagram with markers. You can select the line diagram with markers also. After this chart, whether if you're having the lower version of Excel also, you can simply go to the, from the drop down menu, simply go to the design option. After going to design option, you will get the first option as the add chart element. Just like the previous one, select this. On the second option, you will have your axis title, and the third option you will have chart title. The fourth option you will have your data labels. So simply go through the chart title above chart. After clicking this option, you can manually type your chart title if you want. Otherwise, simply just put equal sign, then click to the title if you have above your data, and you will get your chart title. You can drag your title according to your convenience also, like this. If you want to keep it here, you can drag this. You can drag wherever you want, but simply for easiness, just click here, just keep here on the top of your chart.
Just give example how to bold the title and how to change the color and all those.
Yeah, I'll let you know again.
Yeah.
Suppose if you are having any chart title, I'll show you how to select this. Just click here equal sign, then go to this option. I don't know why it is not happening,
Yeah,
but
no
this
need.
is the way how to simply just add your chart title by clicking the equal sign and then clicking on the axis, the exact chart title what you want, you'll get your chart title.
Ajit, another way you can do it. You can simply select the chart and just track it. That is the best way. Select the chart.
Is it okay?
No, select the chart first.
Can I move forward?
Ajit, 1 second. I'll just give it some.
Continuously drop your messages if you are facing any problem.
Ajit,
Otherwise, I won't be able to understand.
Ajit, wait a minute.
So
I'll give
after,
example.
if you have the latest option, just right side of your chart, you will have a plus symbol, chart elements. Otherwise, I'll show you the proper way if you have the lower version, so that also you can do properly along with. So go to the design option. Again, same first option, you will get add chart element. From here, you can add your axis titles. For primary axis, primary horizontal, select the first one, which is x-axis title. Here you can put dates. Go to design, then add chart element. Go to axis titles and select the primary vertical. You can keep here your vertical axis name, that is cases, or you can write here COVID cases. After completing this, just go to the same option. You'll get fourth option, that is data label. After clicking data label, you can keep your data labels by clicking any one of the option. Whether you can keep it right of your point, left above of your point, left of your point, whether central of your point or below of your point. Otherwise, you can keep data callout, but it will be very clumsy if you have very big names. So it's better to keep always above option. If you want to change the format of your chart, simply you can click on the chart, go to the home option. For example, if you want to change the font style or font style of your chart, you simply click on the chart, go to the home option. From here, you'll find so many font styles. From here, you can select any. For example, I'm selecting Times New Roman. Just click on Times New Roman. If you want to increase the font numbers, you can keep here 14 or whatever you want to show. You can keep here 18 also. 18 will be font size of the chart. After clicking enter, you will get your charts very clearly visible. Now it is very clearly visible. If you want to bold this chart, then select on the chart, go to the bold option. So there are n number of options that you can do. But the basic things that you have to complete with your chart, that is the axis title, chart title, and the data labels. And as earlier I have told you, that yes, I'll let you know how to switch the rows and column. Yeah, definitely. Someone has asked about how to switch the rows and column. So just click on the chart, go to the format option. Sorry, go to the design option. The second last one, design only. After clicking on design, you'll get fourth last option, that is switch rows and column.
But in this case, it's not
But my
suitable.
suggestion your column when you will have the cases like that, or in other words, I can say when you have to mark, when you have to make a bar or a column chart, then only try to use this. Otherwise, it won't be good for viewers to understand as well. But option you can get it from design, well, design drop down menu. After clicking design, you have a from right side you have fourth last option, that is switch rows column. Give you again 2 minutes you can take. Please complete your chart with at least these three elements, that is chart title, axis title, and data labels.
अजित प्लीज आपको मोबाइल का स्लीप मोड में नहीं जाना. Somebody asked how to change the y-axis value.
Yes, if you want to change your y-axis value, then select on chart, click on the chart, select on y-axis values. If you have the latest option, then after clicking on y-axis, one shortcut is there, that is Control 1.
Otherwise, if you have the earlier version of MS Office, you simply go to the design option. Is it okay? Otherwise, you simply click on the y-axis. By double clicking on y-axis, you'll get so many options. There is a fourth option named as numbers. In number section, you'll get a option category. By clicking on the category, you'll have so many other options. Is it okay? If you are complete with your chart, then please match your chart with this one. And if you get any problem, please comment in chat box.
Somebody has asked, I got a line. Diagram does not have a dates to insert. How to insert? Sorry, line diagram. Y-axis, I think they have, x-axis they have not added. Axis nahi de diya. Please check.
See, someone has asked about that whether he or she is facing problem. Someone has asked about whether he or she is facing problem that line diagram does not have dates. How to insert date? So for inserting date, simply click on the chart. While clicking on the chart, you have to click on the axis also. After clicking the axis also, there is a fourth option symbolized as the column chart. This one. This is the fourth option of axis. After clicking here, there are four options. Axis options, tick marks, labels, numbers. After clicking the fourth one, that is last number, again I'll tell you there is an option named as category. After clicking on category, you can click on date. So see, earlier our mode of date is written as 01-March-20. But when we click on date, you will get a different way of presentation. Henceforth, we can say that there is an option available for x-axis. See, you can use your currency also. Whatever you want, you can just customize it. But if you are but so we are having here a date thing, so just keep it date. Yeah, yeah. If you have two sets COVID data, then simply go to the same option. But while selecting your data, just select your both rounds of data, both columns. I'll show you an example. I'll show you an example if you have both data. Suppose we get an extra column. Please follow my instructions. Suppose we get any extra column, that is earlier we had only dates and cases. Now we have one extra column, that is date, cases as well as date. In such a case, you just select all the data, go to the same insert option. After then go to the recommended chart option. Then you will get your exact chart, the title chart, line chart. Then click on OK and you will get your new chart. See, this is your new chart. Again, we have to follow the same sequences. Now we have two lines. One is for cases and the other one is for deaths. See, in the bottom of the chart, we have legend also. If you want to increase the font size, we can increase it from here. So it is clearly visible that we have in legend option, we have two lines. The red one is for cases while the yellow one is for deaths.
Ajit, move forward.
Sir, am I,
Yeah, please move forward.
are you getting it?
Yeah, please.
Hello.
Yeah, move forward. Next slide, Jao. Next exercise, please go ahead.
So if all of you has completed this exercise, then next we have to work on histogram. Please drop your message if okay with the earlier. Yeah, I'll again tell you how to give values. For giving value, just go to the chart, then go to the drop down menu, that is design option. After clicking design, you'll get add chart elements. From here, the fourth option is data labels. From here, you can choose your data labels. There are so many other methods of presentation, whether you can keep it on the central part or left, right, above, bottom, below, data callout, so many. Simply go for the above one, the above of your exact point. So this is the way of data labelization. So I'll move forward.
Yeah, please.
Third exercise is for histogram. Yeah. For histogram making, I'll basic recap on the sir's earlier presentation. Basically, histogram is the histogram is a visual representation of the distribution of numerical data. It's a special kind of bar graph, or you can say column chart, because it's vertical type of. So it's a special kind of column chart which has the width which is equal. Otherwise, in other words, you can say the beans, and the length of this beans is the frequency of the measure of value. In other words, on the slide you can see easily that the height of the each bar shows the proportion of value in that bean. Suppose I'll show these things through the example. Please let me know if you are okay, if you are done with the earlier exercise. Please try to go through my mouse pointer. Just simply my mouse pointers, you'll get to understand how to just simply make it. For making histogram, see, first of all, I'll let you know what kind of data this is. In this sheet, you can read out this sentence that below data given in the spreadsheet is the frequency of age who are infected with the COVID disease. So basically in first column, the age of the respondent who are infected with this pandemic, COVID pandemic. While in the second column, there is a column named as beans. In other words, you can understand it interval, the class interval on the basis of what you want present your width of the bars, beans, that is interval. So for making this, simply select your data. There is an option named as data. The fifth option, home, insert, page layout, formulas, and the next one is data. After selecting the data, go to the data option. In the last of this data option, you will have an option data analysis. Again, I'll show you. For making the histogram on the basis of age and beans, select the data, go to the data option. Please see my mouse pointer. Go to the data option. After going to the data option, simply in the last, you'll have an option data analysis. Click here. You'll get a window. In this window, there are so many analysis tools, but because we have to make histogram, so we'll select the histogram option and simply click on OK. I'll wait once until I don't get any response. I'll show you how to add the data analysis option. Sir,
Yeah, please. Yeah, Ajit.
hello.
Yeah, Ajit. What you can do it actually, you can go for a next slide. Actually, some of them or do not have the analysis because they have to add the option actually. What you can do it, you can just explain the things and then later on we can explain how to add the things.
G, is it
Hello.
default in the system that data analysis option is there, or we need to add it?
Hello.
Yeah, please, Ajit.
क्यों उल्टा हो रहा है यार?
Hello.
Screen looks ulta.
No, it's not our screen actually. Somebody is sharing. Please wait.
Hello.
Ajit. Hello. अजीत यू जस्ट इन्फॉर्म दैट बाद में अभी वो चार्ट करेगा वो बिकॉज उसमें ऑप्शन ऐड करना है वो उसका नहीं जाओ मत करो नो नीड टू कॉन्टेक्ट उसका एक्सप्लेन करके देन विल शो इट हाउ टू ऐड इट टुमारो सेक्शन विल ब्रीफ यू विल मूव टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड जस्ट
अदरवाइज सर वो ऑप्शन मिल गया, जस्ट मुझे उनको बस
ठीक है
बताना था।
स्क्रीन शेयर करके बता दो
ओके, ठीक है।
First, go to the file option.
Ajit is explaining how to add the analysis part.
In this option, the last option is named as options. You'll get this screen. After clicking on add-ins, we'll get a window like this. In this square-centered window, we'll have an option analysis toolpad. After clicking analysis toolpad, simply go OK. You'll have your option in your data option. Are you following?
थोड़ा स्लो में जाओ people are asking to go slow.
I'll show you. First click on the file option. Then go to the last option, that is options. After clicking this, you'll get a window like this. Then click on this second last option, that is second last, this one.
Add-ins.
Add-ins.
Get a window like this. In this window, there is an option. You just search for it. Analysis tool pack.
Done.
Now,
Add-ins
click.
and then analysis tool pack. First option. Go. Then okay.
Sure. Please click to the
अभी
file
भी
option.
नहीं आया भाई साहब, अभी भी नहीं आया.
To the file option again, sir. Click here. Click here. File. This file option. The green symbol is file option. Click here. You'll get the last option. Options.
Options, add-ins,
You get
then
a window
tool
like this.
pack file.
Again, click on the add-ins. Click here. Then you will get a window like this. Analysis tool pack is there. The first option is the analysis tool pack. Then click on OK.
See, in the active add application that it is not appearing. Inactive application add-ins, the analysis tool pack is there. Bye, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Ajit,
Hello. Yes, sir.
Ajit, what you can do it actually. Sorry. What we can do it actually, some Excel sheets they don't have a toolkit actually. Those who are having a different versions people are using, so it's have a difficulty for us. So what you can do it, just give example, and then tomorrow we can tomorrow section we can just how to give a, again we can get example for this histogram. You can go ahead for a further charts.
Sir,
That's my suggestion.
So sorry for the interruption. After he taught us, we've added it and we've got it in our version also. Data analysis, all tools are coming now. If you want, you can go ahead now.
Yeah, thanks. Actually, some people are getting issues, so that's what I says. It's fine. Please, just give example. Yeah.
yes, sir. So tomorrow, in tomorrow's session, I'll let you all learn how to add the toolkits and all those things. But for today's session, I'll just simply move forward by
Okay.
clicking and by making the histogram.
Oh, sure.
So simply just select the data, just follow my screen, select the data, go to the data option, simply go to the data analysis tool. You will get a histogram option, then select OK. For input range, you have to select this option. Now you want to show labels on your histogram. So click here. Then you need a chart output. So click on the window of chart output and simply click OK. You'll get a histogram like this.
market packs in your Excel.
Hello. Yeah, Ajit.
Second column, state of Tamil Nadu. Third column, Kerala. And in the last column, Maharashtra is there. So this was all about the detail of the table. From second row, week-wise cases of the respective states are given.
No audio, sir.
अजीत भाई आवाज सुना नहीं.
Hello.
Yeah, Ajit,
अजीत
please.
भाई आवाज सुना
Please, I
नहीं.
request.
Hello.
Yeah, please, Ajit. Ajit, you please go ahead.
Please respond in the chat box. Please go to the next sheet, the exercise 4. In exercise 4, for making area chart, simply select the data. Then go to the insert option. Again, go to the recommended chart option. If you want to check that whether this type of chart is being there or not, you just simply scroll down and you will get the recommended chart options. Otherwise, simply go to the all chart option. Then scroll down and go to the area chart. Now select the area chart. But because state of Maharashtra having the highest number of cases, that's why state of Maharashtra has imposed all other states. In such a case, we need to do our area chart by making as 3D diagram. Therefore, simply go through the insert option, go to the area chart option, and then go to the 3D area chart option. Simply select OK. Then you will get your area chart.
Sir, please repeat it, sir.
Again, I'll tell you. Select the data. Go to the insert option. And go to the area chart. There are so many area chart options. You can select the 2D way also. In 2D, you'll have very unclear picture because state of Kerala is very thin. State of Kerala has very thin stack. So we are not able to clearly understand. Therefore, we just simply change chart type and go through the 3D option. After doing this, we can get a very clearer picture of the area chart. Click on the chart. Go to the design option. Then again, you can go to the first option, that is add chart elements. After clicking here, you can get your axis titles, chart titles, data labels. So first of all, we'll go for the data labels. We'll have the data values. If you want to, we can show our category name also, but it will be very clumsy to understand. So we'll go for the data value. If you want to change the color of this stack, so simply we can click on the stack, and after doing the right click, we'll get the option of filling the color. I think now it's clearly visible. You simply can see that there is an option of legend option. You can drag this option also. Otherwise, If you want any easier option, just simply go to the design. Next, go to the add chart elements. We'll have the in bottom you'll have an option of lesson. You can select your lesson orientation also from here. Like if you want to rightly place your lesson, then you can click on right. If you want top based lesson, then you can top, left, none. If you don't want any lesson, simply click on none. If you want in bottom, then click on bottom. Otherwise, click on right. So I think now it's clear how to make area chart. Yes, sir. Same. I'll tell you again. Click on the chart. Click on the particular stack for which you want to change the color, like this or this or this. Click on the chart and right click. Otherwise, go to the format. You'll get option save fill. From here, you can change the color. Simply change the color. Again, I'll tell you. Just go to the format, save fill. From here, you can change the color. Hello, sir.
Yeah, please, Ajit.
So I'll move for the next exercise.
Please go ahead, Ajit.
You simply can compare your chart with the earlier one. You can keep here the axis title, chart title, data levels, and so many things. But for now, let's move forward to the next slide. On sheet 5, on exercise 5, am I audible?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yeah, Ajit.
Yes, sir. So I'll go forward for the pie and the donut chart. A pie chart is go to the see on this sheet description of the data. Value data given in the spreadsheet are the death in absolute of some of the states. They are having the highest number of deaths in India. Name of the states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Delhi, West Bengal. And there is an extra row, there is total. For making pie chart, there are three columns. The first column is for name of the states. Second one is for number of deaths in absolute numbers. And the third one is the percentage death. Or in other words, properly you can say the proportion of deaths of the total. For calculating the proportion of deaths of the total, for making the pie chart, you simply select this column and this column. Then go to the insert option. Again, go to the recommended chart. From here, simply go to the all chart option. Then moving next, go to the pie chart option. Simply select your pie chart. Now this is the pie chart, but incomplete. You have to complete this pie chart with adding the chart elements. Simply click on the right side, or if you have the earlier version of the MS Office, go to the design option. Go to the chart element, data labels. You can keep data label as outside end of the chart, or you can use the data callout also for easier understanding. You keep your data label inside of your arc. Just keep outside it for simple presentation.
Ajit, I have a couple of questions. Please have a look.
Simply select the column.
Ajit, 1 second, please repeat the steps.
Select the data. Go to the insert option. Next, recommended chart option. From here also you can get your pie chart. Otherwise, go to the all chart option. From here you'll get the third option as pie chart. Simply select this chart and complete this with many other options. Chart elements. You can keep your legend on the right side of your chart. Along this, keep your data labels as wherever you want to place it, whether outside or central part. Just simply keep it outside of the arcs. This is your complete pie chart.
Ajit, please give a donut also.
For example, I'll show you a different way how to do it. See, you have in this sheet, you'll get example of a different data set. In this sheet, you have in the first column, you have age group. In the next column, you have child population. While in the last column, you have the percentage share of the child population. So on the basis of this data set, you want to make an pie chart. Simply select the columns. Simply select the columns and go to the insert option. Then go to this option. You can go from here also, pie chart. You can select this option. You will get your pie chart. This is the percentage share of the child population. making donut chart, you simply select the data, go to the insert option, then next go to the pie charts option. From here you can get a donut chart. Select here, select OK, you will get your donut chart option. From here, if you want to give the value labels, go on design option. Next move to the add chart elements. Go to the data labels. The second option is there, data callout. I'll show you again. Data labels, data callout. From here, you can give listen key, percentage, as well as value, series name, value from the cell also. So many options are here. You simply go for the value one. This is how to make donut chart. Again, I'll show you how to give the data value labels. Simply go to the design, go to the add chart element, and then go to the data column.
Ajit, can you repeat? Somebody is asking, repeat.
If you want to change the color, this if you want to uh, you can go changing the colors. From here, you can select the one what you want.
Just couple of queries are come out. Please have a look. Ajit, give me one example how to change the layout. Hello. Yeah, Ajit. Actually, you can give example of a layout of it, changing the background of the sheets and all those things, and that's what I'm saying. And then complete the session today. And then just background. Yeah, background of the theme and all those things, layout, and how to legend change the legend and all those things. Color pattern you are already given. Background and all those things. Yeah, if your layout is there, a page layout, like a difference, that kind of example. That's what I'm saying.
If you all want to change the theme of color,
Ajit, what you can do it actually, you'll drop it. I will give example, then I will close it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi. I think you have gone through actually lots of challenges today we have faced during the. Sorry for that. What we can do it actually tomorrow morning we can again we'll just go through because we have another couple of sections exercise we are going to complete. There is a two types of challenge we have faced today. Thanks, Ajit. Actually, yeah. We have faced a
in the
couple of.
background, chart, the outside part of your exact chart, and go to the format option. Simply click the save fill, and from here you can change the theme of your background. See, if you change the shape effect, you can use these things. for changing the effects of your charts. But I suggest go when you want to show something extra or you have your hypothesis like the way. Otherwise, simply present.
Yeah. What I'll yeah. Thanks, Ajit. Thanks for a detailed exercise. Actually, we have faced lots of challenges today. Actually, we have a couple of audio issues, and somebody is having a lower version and all those things. I think hopefully finally we got it. Actually, we have almost gone through 5 to 6 charts. We try to give an exercise. Actually, I hope you understand
This
that
can
better.
hello. So let's move to the next chart, which is how
Ajit,
to make scatter chart.
no, no, Ajit. Actually, today we can complete by because already we are running out of time. 12:10. It's already happened. Yeah. We'll stop here. From we'll start from tomorrow onwards. So tomorrow, the what are the from scatter chart we can start, and what are the formatting we can again we can go through. We can refresh all those aspects. Uh, I think if you have any questions, let please ping it or send a mail separately. That would be helpful for us. If you have any questions, please send us separately. We'll address you. Yeah, actually, there is a couple of challenges. Actually, yeah, it's a uniform toolbar, uniform versions also needed actually. But anyway, that's not an issue. Actually, the main motto is our motto is to have everyone has to understand the how to format, how to do the charts. What are the types of charts that we are getting actually? Because it's we cannot because somebody is having 2003 version and somebody is having higher version 2007 and all those there is a challenges is there, but anyway it's fine actually. We can if actually those who have got the concept, that's more important. We'll get back to you if you have any query or anything. You can put out the things. For sorry for today's some kind of audio issues that we are sorry for that because we try to because Ajit is in Mumbai, I am in Noida, and we try to because this kind of exercise I would we always prefer to go with the offline mode to one to one. That's always best actually. We can have a sitting with you and we can discuss very detailedly. But anyway, we have done many things. It's not like that we have not done any. It's not a issue at all. We have done almost what we have want to do. So thanks to everyone. Let us. I think you can make the chart and you can share the Excel sheet by once complete by tomorrow exercise. Once completed the tomorrow exercise also share the. You can change the name and share to us for a record maintenance. And we'll give if any suggestions. We'll send you a separate mail also for you can improve further also. And then we'll share you the recording also. Whatever today's recording that we'll share, we'll upload it in a YouTube and we'll share the link to you. I hope thanks to everyone. It's very helpful to have a big question, sir. Yeah, thanks to everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.